Hello, everyone. Welcome to our today's topic of discussion. And this is again a very important subject of SEO. As I told you in the beginning, the most important and the primary concepts, if you want to rank in Google search engine, one of the major activity, one of the major work will be related to the content of the website. How good is your content? How well you have developed your content? And the second part of ranking your website is basically how many backlinks are you getting. So today in this session, in the first class of our link building, I will show you different ideas of link building, different types of link building. All right, what are the rules and regulations of link building? And also, if we have time, I will also cover the basic link building strategies practically as well. So let us start with what is the link building process. What is the meaning of link building? Now, simple definition is it is off page, also called as off page SEO. Okay, is a process of generating backlinks to website from various sources. Now, what is a backlink? See, if a website, if a company, if suppose there are two companies, okay, A and B. Let us assume this way, okay. Let us say we have a website webtrainings.in. Let's say this is webtrainings.in. Now, let's say, for example, one of the student, let's say any of you has a blog. You have a blog. Now, I may request you, I may ask you, okay, see, you have a blog, right? So can you please, somewhere in whenever you write about digital marketing, mention about our institute, okay, and link to our website. So as you are already, you know us and we have a relationship, it is highly possible that you can actually link to me, yes or no, or if you ask me, sir, from your website, I want to, I'm starting an agency. So some of your agency pages are there. I want a backlink to my website, sir. So I will say, yeah, sure, I will give you a backlink. You see, the idea here is it can be different types are there, which we will discuss in a while now. But just remember, backlink means reference. Backlink means it is nothing but it is a reference. Now, what is the main point of backlink? Sir, what happens when we get the backlink, sir? What is the main point? The main point of the backlink is if you remember the original algorithm of Google, PR algorithm, do you remember page rank algorithm? But unfortunately, we can't even see that data today. Google have hidden it from the public. Internally, they are using the PR algorithm even today, which means every website which has a good backlink, every website which has generated quality backlinks, their PR will increase. Now, PR is a number which can be from zero, like no PR at all, to up to 10, which means that highest quality or highly trusted websites will get 10. Now, even if your PR is 1, 2, 3, 4, definitely you will get a lot of value. Unfortunately, we cannot see this number, but still internally the PR will be very valuable. I hope you understood this point. Everyone, are you clear with the concept? So, what is a backlink? Backlink means a reference to a website from one website to another website. Now, how do we get it? I will show you the process and everything we will discuss. Okay. Now, if you talk about link building or types of links, there are actually three types of backlinks are available in the market. Three types of link building are available in the market. Number one is called as one-way link. Now, what is one-way link? For example, you have asked me, sir, please give me a backlink to my agency. I said, okay, great, I will give, and I gave you a backlink. Now, see, when I gave you a backlink as an individual, I gave you a backlink, correct? But see, this backlink which I gave you, is it one way? Like only I have given a backlink to you. You have not did anything in return, right? I have just gave you a backlink because you have an agency and also have a page for that topic, right? So that is one way backlink. All right. So actually think about it this way. One way backlinks are the most powerful. Why? Because it shows that somebody else is referring to you, which means they feel that you are really worthy to link. That's the reason they are linking to you. Am I right? So one-way backlinks are the most valuable, most powerful type of backlinks. And even consider this way, you see in our language, in human language, if you want to say, backlink is nothing but a referral. Backlink is nothing but a referral. I'll give you an example. After completing the course from us, okay, if any one of your friend asks you, like, where you have done digital marketing now, If they ask you and you are happy with our training, only then you will recommend, correct? You will say, yeah, yeah, training is good. Whatever you feel like, you will tell the genuine thing, right? Now, question is, if you recommend your friend to our training, now, is it one-way recommendation or a two-way recommendation? If you recommend any of your friend about our training, all right, so is it one way or two way? It's a one way. Yeah, simple. Actually, you are just recommending without any benefit, without any genuine. Actually, if you call we call that as a genuine recommendation, right? So that is one way backlink. Now there is another reference which is called as two way link. Now what is two way link is when somebody link to me. Okay. Now in representation in like a diagrammatic point of view, we define like this one. If it is A and this is B, all right. So assume that A is giving a backlink to B. Now, this is how we represent one-way backlink. Now, same way, let us say, sir, we want to represent a two-way backlink. So let us say we have A and we have B. So the how it is, sorry, it should be A. So how we recommend here, ma? This is one way, and B will say, thank you for giving you a backlink. I will also give you a backlink. Now it's actually a two-way. Now, example of the two-way is imagine this, okay? If suppose we have any affiliate program, we don't have, but assume we have that. If you recommend any of your friend and they have joined our training, suppose, okay, you recommend any friend and they have joined our training. Now from our end we provide you, let us say, 5,000 rupees of a benefit. Imagine this. Now if your friend knew about this concept later, now he will have a doubt on your recommendation, yes or no. He will feel like, hey, did you really recommend for that money, or you are genuine, yes or no? He will have a question mark, right? So two-way link actually is a mutual benefit. A will get benefit, B will get benefit. Both will get benefit from this, and it's okay. It's also called as reciprocal link. One more name of this type of backlink is one reciprocal. Remember the word reciprocal, and also it's called as link exchange. One more also word is link exchange. There are many ways. Okay, reciprocal backlink, link exchange. Okay, and link sharing. A lot of ways we can say, but this is also not better than one way, but it is still okay. I'll show you. Recently I did a one way link with another institute. I will show you how. And multi-way, now actually multi-way is very very tricky. Okay, so what people do in this is actually they create multiple websites for doing this strategy. All right, one, two, three, four websites, and technically all these websites belong to same person. A will give a big backlink to B, B will give a backlink to C, C will give a backlink to D. Okay? And at the end, D will give a backlink back to this person. It's kind of a chain system is created. It's not a two-way link exchange. Okay, it's a multi-way. It's a multi-way linking scheme. Now, in earlier days, a lot of companies used to do this a lot. Even I can do it very effectively. See, we have web trainings website. Okay, we have IT info website. All right, I have my own personal website, Digital Azar. My personal website is there. Then we have WT Academy. Then also have webtrainingsacademy.com. Then I have W3 Academy. Okay, see all these websites and also few more are there. Okay, so all this website belongs to me only. Now, can I from all these different sources can I backlink to my own website? Can I create a link technique in this way? Yeah, but it has to be done in a very proper way. If you do it in kind of a spammy way, spammy means if you do it too much, okay, then there may be a problem. Now, what problem it may cause? Penguin update. Remember, Google have launched an update long back called as Penguin. If you are doing too many spammy backlinks, your website will get affected with that back update. So that is one possible negative part. Okay. So I hope you understood this point. Any questions here? Please quickly ask. Backlink means URL. Backlink means URL. See, I'll show you a example with what recently what I did. I had a and email exchange with one institute. Okay, they only have mailed us. All right, they have mailed us that we can have a link exchange process. I said, okay, fine, no problem. We can have. It's a Delhi institute, so they are not a direct competitor to us. So I'll show you how I have given a backlink to them, and they have given a backlink to me. All right, let me just show you an example. Yeah, see this. This is a link exchange. He initiated the link. He said, okay. Now here, see this one. This is his website. This is his website, Expert SEO Training Institute, some so and so. Top 10 digital marketing training institutes in Hyderabad. And here, see, first they will keep their website, and after that, yeah, see here. First out of 10 digital marketing institutes in Hyderabad, Web Trainings Academy, and our screenshot. And then little bit info about us. Then okay, how many modules and what are the website? And see, this is a backlink. He has given a backlink to us, and all these details I provided him. Okay, so this is a backlink to web trainings. Okay, so that's a clickable link. That's it. Now, in return for that, what I have did now, I also have to give him a backlink in return. Correct. So I have updated him in our website. See this. This is on a web page we have. Actually, a lot of institutes are doing this. Even if you are not in a place, you are not in a city where your institute is not there. But many institutes are creating content like this just for getting the relevancy in given area. Okay. Now see, this is first we'll put our own institute. After that, if you see at the bottom, yeah, I have put up their institute. Digiversity is actually their another brand name they have created. Same company but with a different brand name and introduction. Okay, and details, and see here. I have given a backlink to them. Digiversity. He asked for the same, so I gave a backlink to the same URL, not to other competitors. Now see, there is no backlink to this company because even we have sent them an email and we wanted to do an exchange with them. Okay, so if they agree with us and they say, yeah, you list us here, we will also list you there. That is the idea. Are you following my point? It's a two-way exchange. No, no, we cannot do it without permission. This is their blog article, right? Now, other type of websites are there where we don't need permission, which I will show you. There are different methods are there, but this is without permission, without actually outreach. You have to outreach, and also remember this content I can take without permission, ma. I don't need permission of this company. In fact, they will say, "Yeah, sir, please keep it," because at least I'm giving their phone number, right? If somebody read this article, he may call, right? Backlink I'm not giving, it's my choice. Even other companies also do the same thing. They also mention about our company, like see, this is some other institute. They're giving only name, but no clickable, not clickable. That's not a backlink. Are you following my point? That is the idea. So that is called as a link process. All right. Okay, chalo. Now let's see this other two-way example. One way, usually we have backlinks from different sources, okay, from Facebook, from YouTube, etc. Those are all called as one-way backlinks. Now, what is the idea of it? What is the logic of it? Okay, So, simply, what is the meaning of a backlink? Just to give you an example, I'm showing you this. Okay, let's say you are the user and you want to go to restaurant one and restaurant two, for example, and you have asked some of your friends on Facebook. You put up a post on Facebook. Which of the following restaurants should I visit? That's a question you ask. Then two friends have recommended you restaurant one, and five friends have recommended you restaurant two. Now, this is two actually. So, restaurant one and restaurant two, okay? Restaurant one and restaurant two. Now, you tell me which restaurant will you go? The second one or the first one? You will obviously say, sir, first one, because five people recommended, five people have given their recommendation to me, and it is valuable, right? In the same way, imagine this is your website. Now, remove restaurant. This is website one, and this is website two. Okay. Now, these are website. Assume this is website one, this is website two. They gave a backlink to you, and here they have got one, two, three, four backlinks. Okay. Now, in this situation, who will win? You tell me, who will win? Obviously, so restaurant one will get a better position, right? Acha, but one more concept is actually included here. Okay, see, sometimes you have to understand one more aspect of a backlink, which is called as quality of backlink. Not just a backlink, but the quality of a backlink. What do you mean by that? See, imagine, let's say, for example, here. I'll give you a general example here, okay? Right. Let's say, for example, I'm recommending you somebody. You have asked me, sir, which is a best graphic designing or let's say video editing course I want to learn, which is the best institute. Let's say I gave you one recommendation, okay? And you also ask your other friends in Hyderabad who are not into digital marketing, who are general public, okay? You ask them. So they also gave you recommendation of they gave you recommendation of one issue, three friends. Three of your friends have gave you one recommendation and I have gave you one recommendation. Now tell me, which recommendation will you follow for learning video editing course? From three people who have no idea what digital marketing, what editing and all this is, but they know some institute name. They saw some ads and they remembered it. So this three people recommendation you will follow or my recommendation you will follow. Think about it now. Yes, please answer. You have a choice to select. There are institute one, institute two. One institute is recommended by me for video editing, and other three of your friends are recommended, but they don't have any idea of this market. Yeah. So now you will take my recommendation higher than your friend's recommendation, even though they are your friends. Reason for that is in the field of digital marketing, I have a authority. I have a authority. Similarly, Google also does the same thing. Imagine if Forbes.com is linking to web trainings. Just one backlink from Forbes.com. Okay. One backlink from Forbes.com will change my website ranking completely. Why? Because Forbes, is it an easy website to get a backlink from? Forbes.com or ForbesIndia.com, whatever it is, or let us say Economic Times, not easy, right? So that means, or if you're in Australia, let's say Sky News or ABC News website, can I get one reference from ABC News or Sky News? You'll say, sir, it's impossible to get a backlink from that news outlet, but I got one backlink from there, suppose. Now you will say, sir, that is highly credible because Google actually knows what is the worth of a website. When you get a backlink, Google knows which one is what one, and based on that, Google gives you the value. So this is also you have to keep in mind always. More backlinks doesn't mean more quality. Sometimes lower backlinks can also win if they are from extremely good quality sources. Now, how do we define quality? That is going to be discussed next. I hope everyone understood this concept. All right. Now I want to tell you one more important point. Okay. Now this is actually called as backlink tier systems. Okay. So what is a backlink tier system? Is see, if this is your website now, this is your website, okay? This is your website. If somebody give you a backlink directly to your website, just now you saw the website, which is Expert Institute something, they gave a backlink to me directly, right? Now we can say these backlinks are tier one backlinks, meaning these are all direct backlinks to your own website. They are direct backlinks to your own website. Okay. Now, if suppose this website is giving link to you, correct? Now let us say the value of this is X and it is giving backlink to you. And you will say that, sir, can we increase the value of this backlink so that our backlink value will also increase? Okay, I will say, yeah, we can actually build backlinks to this level 2. And this is called as tier 2. And sir, can we increase the backlink value of this individual? Yeah, we can do that as well. And this is called as tier 3. Now, actually, why do we have this trick? I'll tell you a very interesting example. You will understand why this has been developed. Okay. Now, imagine I want to increase the value of this website, correct? Now, if I get suddenly 1 lakh backlinks from some random website, 1 lakh backlinks directly. Now, I may get ranked quickly. Yes, 1 lakh backlinks is a big number. But is there a risk also? Getting 1 lakh backlinks suddenly, is there a risk as well? Any risk we have? Yeah, we have a big risk. And the risk is, and the risk is actually, you know, that Google may find out that you are getting too many backlinks too quickly and Google may apply a penalty on you. Yeah, it's highly possible. All right. But what I want to do is, I don't want this 1 lakh backlinks to myself. Okay. I want to give this 1 lakh backlinks to one of the website which is linking to me. Now, sometimes this is owned by you only, okay? So this 1 lakh backlinks comes to this website and its value will increase. Now, whatever value will increase, it will come to us as well. Now, it's not really kind of, it looks like a MLM concept, but that is not MLM concept. But basically what we are trying to do is, we are trying to boost the value of this backlinks. I'll tell you why is it important to do that. Okay, as we discuss different type of backlinks, we will understand. I hope everyone understood this point, Mark. Tier 1 means direct backlinks. Somebody linking to your level of direct backlink, that is called a tier 2. And somebody linking to tier 2 is called as tier 3 backlinks. I hope you understood this point. All right, Mark. Chaliye. Now, the most important concept. Okay. Now, this you have to listen very carefully. It's a very interesting feature, okay, of a backlink. Now, do follow and no follow. I'll give you an example first, okay? First, try to follow this example. You tell me, you tell me what is the difference between the two, okay? Now, let us say there are two institutes. One is X and one is Y, okay? And this is me. I'm recommending some, this is me, okay? So now let us say, for example, one student have asked me, he asked me, sir, I want to learn, say, video editing, correct? I want to learn video editing. Where should I learn? Now, look at my wording. Please concentrate on what I'm saying to this person, okay? I said to him, see, if you want to learn video editing, I know an institute which is in so and so place. It's some X institute. It is a very good institute. I know the trainer from many years and he teaches very well. And without any doubt, you can go and join blindly. Suppose I use the word blindly, I should not say, but let's say I said, just go and join, you will not be disappointed. I told him this reference. Yeah. Now, X has got a reference, right? I referred to him. Referral, that is for sure. But that is one referral. Correct? Now, wordings was what? Go and join. Don't worry, he's a great trainer. He will definitely help you out. Yes, that was the wording. Correct? Now, another student came to me, okay, and he asked me, sir, I want to learn Python. Okay, Python, I want to learn Python. Can you please recommend me? Okay, I recommended him Institute. Why? But listen to my wording. What I said is the wording. Yeah, in Amirpet there is one institute. I have heard, I have seen many times this institute is there. Some X Y institute is there. But please go there and attend a demo. Please go there and attend a demo and see for yourself if you are following the concept, if the environment is okay for you, then make your decision. Now see the difference. Actually, I gave same reference to X as well as Y. I gave reference to both of them, right? Both of them will get one student to their institute, correct? But what is the difference? So you will say that, sir, in X, I have given my value also, my worth also. Meaning, I told you that you can join them. I am giving the guarantee that that is the best institute. My worth also I have given. Yes, my recommendation plus my confidence I have given. Whereas in Y, I don't know that institute personally. I don't know the trainer also personally. So what I told him, know about them, but I'm not closely related to them. Make your decision. So now tell me, whose backlink is more powerful or more valuable? X has got a backlink now, Y has got a backlink, correct? Whose backlink is more powerful? X has got a powerful link or Y has got a powerful link? X. And remember, this X backlink now here is called as do follow. The X backlink is called as what? Do follow. X got a do follow and Y has got a no follow. In other words, if no follow link is given, first of all, it won't pass any page rank value. Actually, here we will say some page rank value will be passed. Okay. But here, sorry, no page rank value. PR, it's not passing any PR, it's just a reference, it's just a link. Internally, it doesn't pass any PR. That is the idea. Yeah, I will show you how we know whether the URL is do follow, no follow. I'll show you now. That's the next topic. Okay. Now, see here. First of all, very easy. This is a link. Whenever you give a link, this is the syntax of a link. href, https, www domain name, whatever you are recommending, anchor text, the link of the text. This is called as anchor text and end of the a link. Now, in the text, you will have an extra parameter, REL. I will show you practical demo also, don't worry. REL equal to no follow. Now, REL equal to no follow means this backlink is of not passing any page rank. It is a backlink, yes, agreed, but it is without a backlink. So it's called as no follow backlink. And keep in mind, in do follow, it passes the value to the other side and it doesn't pass the link value to the other side. And normal websites uses do follow, and most public sites will use no follow. Now I will show you how to check whether it is do follow or not. What is the option? We can find out. Okay. And keep in mind how many impressions, how many clicks it gets that doesn't matter, okay? Because the link doesn't check for your traffic. Link doesn't depend on traffic. Link depend on its valuation. Now I'll show you the example first, okay? Remember, I just gave a backlink to one of the, somebody who asked me recently to give a backlink. I gave them a backlink, right? So let's say I gave a backlink to a Delhi institute, correct? I gave them a backlink, genuine. And also remember, Google is here, a lot of factors will come into play. Okay. Is our website, this page is related to digital marketing, 100% digital marketing. So this link value is much higher. Okay. Now, see here, this is a backlink I have gave. But is it do follow or is it no follow? I want to know that. So normally you can select it, right click, and this is the lengthy process. Okay. And the anchor text is digiversity.co.in. Okay, in outcome it will be dot will not be recognized, so it will show us in the backend digiversity co in space co in. Now rel equal to no opener. Now no opener is a default parameter of WordPress. Don't worry about it. But is it no follow? No, sir. It is not no follow. What is it, ma? It is a do follow. Yes, you agree with me? And anchor text is digiversity.co.in is the anchor text, correct? But sir, who will check all this, sir, manually? Very difficult, right? Yeah. So there is a shortcut also. Use SEO Quick toolbar. Enable the toolbar, and in the settings, do one small option here. The option is highlight no follow. Highlight no follow. And now you see what happens here. If I'm opening any page which has a no follow backlink, I'll show you how we get a no follow backlink. This is Webtraining's listing on Just Dial. Okay. Now see on the right hand side. Yeah. Is there a visit our website option there? And anchor text is visit. But notice, is it crossed? Yeah, it's already crossed, right? So basically, it is a no follow backlink. And if you want to check source code, you can check, right click. So this tool will help us quickly to recognize do follow and no follow links. Yeah, here. REL equal to no follow. See that? So that is a reference point. I hope you understood this point, everyone. But if you have the SEO quick toolbar right away, you can know whether it is do follow or whether it is no follow backlink. No problem, it will be automatically shown. Any web page. Yeah. Suppose if you open Wikipedia, actually Wikipedia only gives no follow. Wikipedia is a public website, correct? They don't know anyone personally, correct? So these are all internal links. Internal links are always do follow. Okay. Now see, they will give an external link to Flipkart, right? See this is an external link. It will be no follow. If you scroll down, there will be a references at the bottom of the article. All that will be no follow because, but still, even this no follow are still valuable. Ma. Keep in mind, no follow doesn't mean useless. No follow simply means that it's not providing value, but still for trust factors, still they are very valuable because Wikipedia doesn't link to stupid websites or Wikipedia can never link to spam websites. Agree? And even you can't just go and create your own Wikipedia page. That is not possible until you have some newspaper references, you have real market value, you have been published in you have been invited in some popular, public podcast or do something valuable. Okay, only then you have a chance. That's it. If you are not published anytime anywhere, there is no way to get on Wikipedia. I hope you understood, ma, everyone. So if you enable this tool, then you get all this as crossed. All right. If you disable, no problem. It will show as a normal link. I hope you understood. Everyone are clear. Okay. All right. So now let us understand about some important aspects of how do we know how many backlinks we have? How do we know what are the total number of data or backlinks are we generating from different sources? See, if you want to know your own website data, you can easily use Search Console. Yesterday we used it, remember? Links. Yesterday we saw the links tool, right? And all of these are paid tools. Now, amazing part about this paid tools is we can see the data of our competitors also. Using paid tools, we can see the data of and also one more thing. Remember this point. Whatever data shown by these individual tools will never be same because every tool has their own crawling process. They actually scan the entire internet like Google. So always remember whatever links are shown final in Google, okay, those are what Google crawler is seeing. Google is seeing. So what is Google seeing, that matters the most. Sometimes Semrush will show you like 50,000 backlinks, 1 lakh backlinks, but if Google is able to recognize only 5,000. So technically, you only have 5,000 backlinks because whatever Google can recognize, only those are counted as real those are actually backlinks. Okay. And if SEMrush is identifying many links, but Google have never indexed that content or indexed that page, they are not counted in our backlink calculation. Now, anyway, we'll discuss one concept later on, which is called as competitor link acquisition technique also is there, where I will show you how to understand your competitor link profile. In fact, we do this in the beginning of our project. When we do website audit, when we see where are we doing well, where are we better than our competitor, where are we worse than our competitors, audit report. So when we do the audit report at that time itself, we can able to find out backlink data, and based on that we can work out. I hope you understood this point, everyone. Okay, sure. Now, let's start with the rules of backlink building. Meaning, sir, when we are doing backlink building, like see anything you do, there are some basic guidelines, right? If suppose you are driving, so you can't just start driving, right? There is some basic thing. First class, they will tell you some basic concepts. They will make you sit in the car. They will explain you various buttons. They will explain you various levers and all that. And they will tell you what to do, what not to do. So, no, that's the basic guidelines. In the same way, learning is a long term process for car driving. But before we complete our car driving process and all, or before even we start car driving, we have to learn some simple rules of link building. And keep in mind, they are very simple. One by one, I will go through it and you will understand. They are, most of them are self explanatory. They don't need any extensive, explanation separately. Just in a line itself, I will explain you what is the meaning of these guidelines. So, number one, first thing is quality of links is crucial for ranking. Remember, no matter how many backlinks you build, I have seen some companies, they built, 1 lakh backlinks, 2 lakh backlinks, 5 lakh backlinks. But all these backlinks are coming from stupid websites, which are low quality, PADA1, or even actually see, PADA10 is also not a big deal, okay? It's not mean that very high quality. Remember, PADA is the metric of which company? What is PA? PA stands for page authority, BA stands for domain authority, and these two metrics were developed by the company Moz, and we have installed the Moz toolbar, correct? So whenever we are doing backlink building, we always think about having a good PA and DA website because it's a correlation data that whichever are PA, DA are higher, they are considered as a good website normally. Because we can't see the PR, so we are taking care of this PA, DA itself, okay? So quality of links is crucial for ranking. No matter how many low quality submissions you do, and I'll show you as we discuss. I will show you. If you do low quality submissions, there is no benefit of it. You are not going to get any real outcome or real benefit from low quality submissions. So always focus on high quality backlinks. Okay, that's the rule number one. So quality is important. Number two, quantity should increase gradually. Now, this is a very important aspect of link building. See, when you are actually what Google does is, you say x-axis is time and y-axis is number of links. Okay, suppose you started the project today in 2026. So your backlinks are zero, nothing, right? So zero. Now, if suppose suddenly your backlinks, let us say this is, let's say the x-axis it is 500,000, okay, 5,000, 10,000. This is by axis. Okay. Now imagine. So you started in 1 month itself, you got like, see the height, and you got 10,000 backlinks in the first month itself. Now, I have a question for you, okay? Are you a celebrity? If you are starting the project, are you a celebrity? Ask yourself. You are not. Are you a big brand? You are not. Now, the question will Google algorithm will have in their algorithm is, how come a unknown website has got 10,000 references and that too within a month? Doesn't doesn't it look like fishy? What do you say? Yeah, this is called as link gaining velocity. Now, if you do like this, sooner or later, okay, you are going to be hit with an update from Google, which is mostly Penguin update. So, what is the rule here? Is gradually means don't suddenly increase. Okay, slow and steady wins the race. This is better. Okay, you're gradually, slowly, step by step, you are increasing the backlinks. So even if you do this way, there is no harm in it. I'll tell you why. Many website owners, they are very kind of crazy. So what they do is they tell the team SEO, see, do whatever you want, doesn't matter, just get backlinks as quick as possible. So they start doing a lot of submissions. They buy some external service packages also, where you may get 1 lakh backlink with one click of a button from all fake websites. So and you got 1 lakh backlinks in what? Within 2 days or 3 days. It happens. So that can be a risky option. Just remember these points while you are doing the link building. The purpose of this is while you are doing the actual work, you have to remember all these points. Is that clear, ma, everyone? What about people talking? See, if it is natural, for example, you are assume that you are a startup. Okay, now startup obviously, if you are an innovative startup, automatically newspapers will cover about you, blogs will cover about no problem because they are all genuine backlinks. There are genuine references to you because you are a startup, you have created something innovative. An example, see, recently Mr. Beast have acquired a financial app called as Step, one financial app which was for mostly for teenagers, okay? And believe it or not, every news article, every news company in the world, like not every, most of the news companies in the world have talked about that topic. You know that? That Mr. Beast have the headline, Mr. Beast have acquired a Step, a financial literacy app. And then they have the information. They may not have given a backlink, but keep that in mind. But today, Google is going on next level. Already with AI, they are on next level with AI and AU and GEO. And today, even if you have not given a website link, www.webtrainings.in, even if this your name is there, your company mention is there. So Google AI is smart enough to pick that info as well. That okay. So this means this is really a genuine company. You got my point? But backlink has more value, more than reference backlink, more than name mention. It's called as a brand mentions. Brand mention backlink has more value, but still, is it genuine or not? See, if you just type, I'll just show you. That is genuine, ma. That momentum we get is genuine. All right. So now let's say Mr. Beast acquire. Now see the word I acquired. That's it. Now I would say thousands of companies would have been reporting it. Thousands of companies. Okay, CNBC, Banking Dive, TechCrunch, FinTech Futures, Storyboard 18, okay, 12 Online, T2, American Bazaar, Quiz, okay. How many mentions? Did Mr. Beast paid money for all these people? Did he pay? No, he didn't pay anybody. Now, he's a kind of celebrity status today. So, whatever he does, all right, it will get the brand references. That's the idea. Okay, I hope you understood the point. Okay, and that's the next point actually. So the next point is, oh sorry, build relevant and natural looking links from content. Meaning, whenever you do this link building, don't try to force it. Meaning, irrelevant backlinks means, for example, I'm a web designer. I'm a digital agency. I created a website for a jewelry company. Okay, Now, below the jewelry company, I have written a reference created by IT Info Digital. Yeah, okay, very nice. But tell me, is that backlink from a jewelry website to an agency? Will it be considered as a high value backlink or a low value backlink? Remember, Google is smart enough to know what are the content of these two pages are. Are they relevant or not? If they are relevant, their value will increase. So, jewelry website recommending an agency website is not really a big value, correct? So, the valuation will actually decrease. I hope you understood the point. And this should be as natural as possible, meaning it should not just be in the footer, it should be in the discussion, in the actual content. Then that value of the link will increase. So remember, there are various aspects of a link. So one of the aspect is your relevancy, and natural looking links are more valuable. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Now, the next point, and it's very important. Okay, diversify your link sources. Here, actually, this concept is simple. Okay, imagine this way. Suppose you are, let us say, you are a flower shop. You are a flower shop, and you are acquiring all types of flowers from only one vendor. Only one vendor. Now, suddenly, if that vendor got bankrupt and his company got closed, now you tell me, are you in big trouble? Absolutely, you will be in big. You don't have a you don't have a supplier. So tell me, instead of that point, if my business has multiple vendor connections, I have five vendors with me anytime, and I order 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, 20% from all these people. If suddenly anyone get into trouble, no problem. I will increase the some other vendor. I will say, okay, increase my 20%, increase this amount. That's it. So can he deliver? I will be in safe side, right? So what many people used to do in the past was they will only do one. Actually, we will have n number of types of backlink methods. Okay, technically there are 175 methods of backlink building. In our class, we will study 12 methods, 12 to 13 methods. I will teach you. Okay, but all 175 methods have the same course, same concept. Okay, it's like type of website will change. So what I will recommend you is use every kind of backlink source. For example, use right now you so I showed you the example of the Delhi website. Remember, I shown you the Delhi website example, right? Now that is called as that type of backlink is called as link exchange method. That method is called as link exchange. Now that is not the only method I should follow. There may be a lot of other methods: directory submission, social bookmarking submission, business listing submission. So many are there. So what is diversify your link sources is use all types of link building. Don't depend only on one type of link building. It's going to hurt you very badly. Okay, is that clear? Everyone understood? All right. Now, as we discuss, I will show you what do you mean by that, and also diversify anchor text. Now, I will tell you one very secret part about this anchor text. Remember anchor text? I told you website one, website two, website three. Okay. Now, these are all external website. Assume all this. All right. Now, all these websites are linking to my website. Now, whenever they link, will there be anchor text? Anchor text means the blue clickable link is called as anchor text, right? Suppose the anchor text of this is the digital marketing course. The anchor text of this is digital marketing course. Okay. And the anchor text of this one is also digital marketing course. The anchor text of this one is also digital marketing course, right? And also digital marketing course. Right. Now tell me, what is the message Google will get from this anchor text, from all this same anchor text? Yeah, Google will understand. Yeah, one source of linking. No, no, sources are different, ma. Other all are different websites, but they are pointing to your website with one word: digital marketing course, which means okay. So that means this source, this link which has been coming to this A. So A must be which type of? A must be which company, which what service they are offering. Digital marketing course. And in the beginning, Google used to right away give value to this website. Okay, so that anchor text has such a value. Okay, but people started misusing it. People started misusing it. Now, every link you build, all the links are digital marketing course only, but it doesn't make sense, correct? Because if you got a link naturally, how is it possible that everybody is using only one word? Now, if it is, see, Google says that you should have natural links also, right? Correct. So it doesn't look natural, correct? It looks forced. It looks spammy. Yeah. So then Google have started punishing websites which has same anchor text for that given backlink. Meaning, to our digital marketing course, if all the backlinks are coming with one word only, digital marketing course, digital marketing course, digital marketing, Google will say, okay, so you are fooling me, and they will apply a penalty. They actually did this one. Actually, they did this in 2012 when the Penguin update came. From that time, they penalized many websites who are doing this trick. All right, then what was the solution our SEO people have developed was they said, okay, let us not make Google, punish us. Let's do one thing. Now, what does Google want? Variation in the anchor text, right? So our SEO professionals around the world have said, okay, do this technique. If you're doing 100 backlinks, okay, because mostly backlinks we do ourselves, okay, some backlinks will come automatically naturally, that is you can't control them, okay, but mostly we do the backlink. So our SEO professionals across the world say use 20% brand name, meaning out if you're doing 100 backlinks, deliberately use like 20 around it with the word webtrainings.in, web trainings academy, web trainings, okay, web trainings digital marketing course, like that, name the brand, use the brand variation for 20 backlinks. The next 60% use keywords and don't use same keyword. Here, digital marketing course, digital marketing training, okay, digital marketing training, digital marketing program, AI digital marketing, just our digital marketing, like that, do the variation. Now, is it a good idea? Now, does it look like spamming? Think about it. You are referring naturally, digital, okay. If you are interested in digital marketing program and that is underlined, I would recommend you to join this particular institute. That's a full stop. Now, the digital marketing program, digital marketing course, training institute, all are different keywords, variations. So that is the idea. And also, not just that, take it to next level to make it more genuine, okay? General words. Just now we saw Just Dial, right? What was Just Dial's anchor text? When they linked to us, what was their anchor text, ma? Just Dial's anchor text was very strange, right? Let's see what is the Just Dial anchor text we got. Okay. So Just Dial has given an anchor text to us as, what is the anchor text? Visit our website. Tell me, does it look really natural? Or even the word website, does it look natural? Yes or no? So that is natural. So some backlinks should have with the word visit us, click here, learn more, visit our website, like this, we should have general wordings as well. Now, don't worry, all these practices, when I'm going to do the practical examples, when I will show the practical to you, there I will show you all these rules and regulations also. I will follow, you will understand. Okay, is that clear, ma? Right. Next few parameters. Avoid spam backlinks. Now, what is spam backlinks means? See, many type of links will be there where PADA is one or zero, like literally useless websites. So many will you'll find. I will never recommend you to put there. Don't put backlinks there. In the past, we used to get benefit from this kind of backlinks also, but today these are very harmful for your website. In fact, they may be may hit you with a update. So you have to be very careful. Okay. And record and track all backlinks. So we have an Excel sheet, actually, something like this. Okay, we will have an Excel sheet. Every backlink which we are doing with all the data, what is the type of backlink it is, what is the PE of the website, what is the DE of the website, what is the category we are submitting, what is the anchor text, every single data we actually measure. And based on each and every data and each and every page which we are measuring, right? So based on that only, we send the user to the right page or a right website. Okay. So we have to make sure every single link which we are creating should be measured. Then only you will know which are not created by you, right? If you don't have any idea, then you see, assume that you are having multiple team members. Same website, all people are submitting, wasting your own time, right? Because they don't take duplicate submission. So waste of your time. So we have to maintain a track. And what we do is in companies generally, multiple link builders are attached to the same sheet, and they will see what links have been done, or they will have a separate sheet also. So all the work will be organized in one place. I hope you understood this point, everyone. All right. And last, use Dissolve tool to eliminate irrelevant backlinks regularly. Remember, I told you one of our client has so many stupid websites are there, stupid backlinks he has, our client. So that I will show you later on. We will discuss about the dissolve tool. It's a very easy tool. Basically, dissolve means devalue. Dissolve means we are devaluing the backlinks. Okay, whichever I don't want, I can devalue the backlinks. So Google will also forget about them in future. So you will not have any penalty. You are not going to have any negative effect because of those bad backlinks. All right. So this is the idea. I hope everyone understood this concept, Mark, clearly. And all these rules are not written by Google or written in any what we say book or something. See, all this is experience, all right. And even yeah, we have some good books like Art of SEO. Very heavy book is there, The Art of SEO. Okay, very heavy. Okay. It's around 800 pages. Book is there only for SEO. So that book I have studied. I have read from so many different bloggers across the world, and even my personal experience I have made up these rules. Because remember, SEO is not a academic subject. So that's why what happens if somebody is working for a big brand, like say Microsoft, that guy will tell different story. You know why? Because Microsoft is a brand, correct? If you create a subfolder or a product on Microsoft website, overnight it will rank on first position. All right. So now tell me, he's giving you some advice. Now, will it be applicable for your website? Right or wrong? See, because SEO professionals work for all type of companies. So some, who are working with big clients, they give a different approach in their blogs. But unfortunately, that advice which is providing is not applicable for you and me. Why? Because that is not. We are not a brand like Microsoft. We are not a brand which is recognized globally. So it's not possible for us to take his advice also. All right. So that is the idea. So this is how we create, and these are the link building approaches, ma. And in our next session onwards, we'll start the practical. In each class, I will try to cover at least five. Okay. So tomorrow we'll discuss directory submission, social bookmarking, business listing, classified, and Q&A. It's very easy, very simple. I'll show you step by step how to implement each of these strategies. I hope everyone understood. Now, like this, how many methods are there? In this, there are sub-methods also. If you take this methods and in this, you will have n number of sub-methods. So all combined, we have up to 175 methods of backlink building. 175 methods are. But, sir, do I need to learn each and every method? No. If you just briefly see all the methods, once one article I will share with you, then you will be okay. Because, see, there is nothing. See, imagine if I say, what are the ways of marketing? So you will say SEO, PPC. Again in PPC, again in paid advertising, you have so many sub options. Social media, again, social media, you have so many sub options. Right? Like that, you have so many options of marketing like that. Link building also. One source, in that one source, you may have 10, 20 ways of generating backlinks. So for that reason, you have all these methods. Right? So don't worry, it's a easy subject. In fact, Compared to our on-page, this is a little bit more time consuming. In fact, it has to be done every day. It's a repetitive task. On-page is a one-time task most of the time. After that, whenever you write a new blog article, you will do on-page. But here it is repetitive task. All right. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll continue with link building, practical step-by-step concept. And see, as I told you, we are not a brand. Don't wait for people to link to you. Nobody will link to you. Correct? So we have to build backlinks for ourselves. And that is what I'm going to teach you. Right. Thank you.